Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Cherry Tigo Crossovers ang PLDT High Speed Hitters 25-12, 25-23, 20-25, 25-22. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jen Nerva sa likod ng kanyang 17 excellent digs at 16 excellent receptions. Humakot naman si Princess Robles ng 17 points mula sa 14 attacks at 3 aces. Galang 13 points at 2 blocks. Adorador 11 points mula sa 11 attacks at may kasamang 6 excellent receptions. Gaston 10 points, Maranyo 5 points at 3 aces. Nagtala naman ng 2 points si Bicar na may kasamang 6 excellent digs at 15 excellent sets. Rodriguez 2 points mula sa 2 blocks. Samonte 1 point, Dapol 1 point. Para naman sa natalong PLDT High Speed Hitters, humakot ng 27 points si Davison mula sa 24 attacks at 3 blocks na may kasamang 12 excellent receptions. Santos 13 points at 11 attacks. Palomata 9 points at 5 blocks. Baron 7 points. Sibalyo 6 points na may kasamang 12 excellent digs. Ligacion 1 point na may kasamang 8 excellent sets. Alcantara 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Creamline Colts Masters ang Chocomocho Flying Titans 25-22, 25-20, 30-32, 25-20. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Jay Magalansa sa likod ng kanang 24 points mula sa 22 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace na may kasamang 9 excellent digs at 17 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman ng 22 points si Michelle Gumabaw mula sa 19 attacks at 3 blocks. Isabel De Leon 10 points. Alaysa Valdez 8 points. Panaga 8 points at 4 blocks. Bernadette Pon 7 points at 7 excellent digs. Kyle Negreto 3 points at 21 excellent sets. Bernardo 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Chocomocho Flying Titans, nagtala ng 24 points si Ceci Rondina mula sa 22 attacks at 2 blocks na may kasamang 11 excellent receptions. Cherino nag 10 points mula sa 8 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Katrina Tolentino 8 points at 1 ace na may kasamang 11 excellent digs. Royce Tobino 8 points. Molde 6 points at may 5 excellent receptions. Alba 3 points at 17 excellent sets. Malaloan 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 3, 2024. Creamline Colts Masters 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. Signal HD Spikers 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 3 wins 1 loss 9 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 3 wins 1 loss 8 points. Zos Thunderbells 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Petrogas Angels 2 wins 1 loss 6 points. Akari Chargers 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 2 wins 3 losses 5 points. Farm Fresh 1 win 2 losses 3 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 3 losses 4 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 4 losses 1 point. Enlix Lead Chameleons 0 win 4 losses 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 5, 2024 nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magtutuos ang Farm Fresh at Zos Thunderbells alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Petrogas Angels at Akari Chargers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.